sibuzwe la ukuthi mangaki ama-inch ku 4.5 yards. Ku 4.5 yards. 4.5 yards. Asishintshe u4.5 siwenze i-improper fraction kukhona kuzoba lula ukusebenza nawo. U4.5 yards ufana nokuthi sithi u4.5 equals 4 times 2 osinika 8 so 4 times 2 osinika 8 over 2 plus lo 1 over 2. Loyo uzosinika u9 over 2. So u4.5 no 9 over 2 into eyodwa. 9 over 2 no 4.5 usinika into eyodwa. Sizothi ke si no 9 over 2 yards ekumele siushintshe siwenze sithola ukuthi mangaka ama-inch kuloyo 4.5 yards noma 9 over 2 yards. Ukwenza kube lula lokho asiqale sishintshe lo 9 over 2 yards sithole ama-feet sibone sizothola mangaki iqala. Siyazi ukuthi sino 3 feet kwi-yard elilodwa, so sizothi 9 over 2 yards ebese sithi times 3 ngoba sithe ku1 yard kuno 3 feet. Ku1 yard bekuno 3 feet futhi ku2 yard kuno 6 feet. Sizothi ke 9 over 2 times 3 noma times 3 over 1 into efanayo leyo. Asenzeke. Sizothi sizothi 9 over 2 times 3 over 1 sithole 9 times 3 u27 nasenze kahle. 9 over 2 times 3 over 1 isishilo ebese siyabhala ukuthi yards phela ngoba 9 over 2 yards times 3 over 1 feet. Feet kwama-yard kwi-yard elilodwa. Yard bayakhanselana kusala u-feet. Sholo ukuthi 9 times 3 usinika 9 times 3 usinika usinika 27 over 2 feet. Lokho kusitshela ukuthi ku 9 over 2 yards kuno 27 over 2 feet. 27 over 2 feet. Ebese ke kukhona u12 inches kwi-yard elilodwa. Shuthi thina sizothi phela lo 27 over 2 feet wethu multiply phela ngo12 ngoba kukhona ama-inch awu12 kwi-yard elilodwa. So sizothi 27 over 2 feet multiply ngo12 khona sizothola ama-inches. So bhala ukuthi 12 inches ku-foot ngoba phela kukhona ama-inch awu12 ku-foot mase u-foot no-feet into eyodwa nje. U-foot into eyodwa, u-feet ama-foot amaningi so into efanayo. U-feet no-foot bazokhanselana kusala u-inch. 27 over 2 times 12 feet times inches kwi-foot. Sizothola futhi bayakhanselana ngishilo ebese ke sithola u27 times 12 over 2 inches . 27 over 2 feet. 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 27 sizothi kukhona sizothola impendulo yethu singathi nje 12 divided by 2 sithole 6, 2 divided by 2 sithole 1. Ebese sithi ke 27 times 6. 27 times 7 times 6 u42. U2 times 6 u12 plus 4 u16. 16. So sithola u162. Kusho ukuthi phela sino 162 inches ku 4.5 yards wethu. Sino kusho ukuthi u4.5 yards ufana no 162 inches.